Eastern Queensland and Northern Australia will see widespread rain and storms increasing through the week. And if we jump straight to look at the next 4-day rainfall outlook to Thursday night, we can see that broad areas of Northern Australia will see more than 20 to 50 millimetres, stretching from the Kimberley through the top end and much of Eastern Queensland. High falls of 50 to 100 millimetres are likely, particularly between the stretch of coast between Cairns and Bundaberg, and some locations will finish the week with more than 100 millimetres. And there are no warnings current at this stage, but it is important to keep up to date with the latest information for your area. And the reason why we are seeing this increase in activity is because we are heading towards the Australian summer. And what that means is that the continent is heating up, leading to areas of low pressure and surface troughs across the north of the country. And looking at the satellite, what that means is plenty of tropical moisture will be dragged down from Indonesia and across the north of the country. And this is producing widespread showers and thunderstorms as we edge closer towards the start of the monsoon season. And if we take it through day by day, first for Monday, we can see broad areas of unsettled weather stretching from the Kimberley through the Northern Territory and into Queensland. And thunderstorms could produce heavy rainfall and damaging winds. And for those across southeast Queensland and northeast New South Wales, thunderstorms may produce locally intense rainfall leading to flash flooding, as well as large hail, which has a diameter of bigger than 2 centimetres, and possibly giant hail with a diameter of more than 5 centimetres, about the size of a golf ball. So keep an eye on these warnings through the day. As we head into Tuesday, we start to see again broad areas of instability across the north of the country, but this surface trough through central Queensland will strengthen, and that will draw more tropical moisture down from the north. Particularly as we head into Wednesday, we can see large areas of rainfall across the Queensland coast with heavy falls possible. And under that cloud, we are looking at temperatures well below average, particularly through parts of southeast Queensland. At the same time, there is a tropical low developing across the Gulf of Carpentaria. But at this stage, the risk of a tropical cyclone remains low to very low. Heading to Thursday, we see areas of rain and thunderstorms push into southeast Queensland and potentially northeast New South Wales, but the system does push offshore later on Thursday and generally clearing across the top end. So with plenty of rainfall to come across eastern Queensland and northern Australia, it is important that you have the latest information for your area, which you can get from the Bureau's website or the Bureau's weather app. Follow all advice from your local emergency services, and please stay safe.